Gearing up for getting another design powered refresh of its mid-range Reno lineup with the upcoming Reno 14 Pro. The renders published exclusively by SmartPix gives a detailed look at the phone's refresh aesthetic and what's shaping up to be a more powerful design. You get a redesigned camera island. The 14 Pro adopts a more unified and vertical arrangement. The primary and ultrawide camera now sits together in one module where the periscope telephoto lens is set off to the side just above the minimalistic dot style LED flash. It's cleaner, sleeker and more premium. Around the front, they are ditching the curve. The 14 Pro will feature a flat OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Flat screens may not be flashy on marketing material, but they're more functional for everyday use. So all the phone manufacturers in the premium segment are getting rid of the curved screens. Specs wise, you get a triple camera setup with a 50 megapixel main primary camera with OIS, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto camera with 3.5 optical zoom. The device also gets a magic cube button, a remappable physical key that replaces the alert slider, and it works very similar to that of an Apple camera button type. You get it'll be showing up in other phones such as Find X8 Ultra and XS series. It ships as Android 14 out of the box, layered with Oppo's ColorOS 15. It's expected to carry the same glass back metal frame, IP68-69 rating for enhanced water and dust resistance. The 14 series is tipped to launch in China in May. The pricing is expected to be starting at $370 for the base model and $455 for the Pro model.